This is the entrance door. We enter from here. I enter from here, and so nearby the entrance door we have this fridge. Let me open this for you. So this is my fridge. I have something inside. The light is not working, fridge is on, as you can see. And here is my storage. So you can see here is extra storage. This is my almirah. This is divided into three parts: first, second, and third. And here, this is the, let me open this. Ouch. So I'm going to keep my footwear in this and some extra other parts. So this is the window, and here is another window, and this is my bed. Here is telephone. We can get connected with the reception, and I'll show you the overall look of my room so you can see. Okay, so this is the ceiling. This is the fan, which is very dirty, AC. And here we have TV, which I'm not gonna use, and I have some, I keep some stuffs like, one second. So I purchased few utensils to use, and the rent is 15,000, and we have to deposit 15,000 as a deposit. And apart from that, it includes breakfast and dinner. So friends, I got one table to I'm using it as usual for my studies. This is my table lamp. It has this mobile holder as well. We have one chair. This is my luggage, some more luggage. So here is another door, and obviously this is washroom. So let me open this for you. So here is my washroom. That is shower area. Actually, this was hotel earlier, but they converted into PG, and I have one balcony here. It's me. So this is my room. Overall I like this room, and the cost is little high, as I told you, 15 plus 15, and it includes breakfast and dinner. I already told you. So this is it for today. If you like the video, do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. So bye.